Welcome. It's the bridal and the mama of the bride video. So here are my beautiful subjects, my daughter-in-law and her young mother. I don't know how that happened, but you got such a young mom. So what kind of a look do you want for your bridal look?
I would love a glowy, natural looking look with a little bit of an edge to it.
An edge. Well, Liza will have to come up with that edge. And MOB?
MOB just like natural, I don't know, little sporty kind of, you know.
Sporty makeup?
Yeah,
alrighty.
Sporty makeup. Has anybody ever requested
Not sporty makeup, but I love it.
Okay.
You like a good natural look.
I do.
Maybe something to bring out the blue eyes.
Yeah,
Definitely.
I was just going to say
Okay.
a little perfect.
Yeah, she
Good.
doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so this will be a treat.
Yeah.
Right.
I said, Liza, are you up for a big project?
Let's just talk about how excited we are for the wedding.
Okay, let's do it. I am so excited for the wedding.
Daughter-in-law. To be, almost.
We are so excited.
Counting down. All right. Girls,
You look good.
so
You look beautiful.
You do too. Thank you, sister.
Liza,
Okay.
you have a world of good on me.
here we go. We're getting ready.
Yay!
Yay!
The big day is coming.
I mean, aren't I the luckiest person ever?
We are all
We
so
are.
lucky.
Thanks.
Mwah.